Mozart's day at daycare. We got the biggest and the littlest. Sparkle weighing in at a mere 7 to 8 pounds, and Mr. Mozart weighing 192. Come on, guys. Come on, kids. Sparkle, come here. Sparkle, come here. Come on, Sparkle. Come on, Sparkle. Say hi, Mozart. Sparkle. They will both get exercise today. Sparkle, play nice.